Hello friends, welcome you all to this lecture. Today's lecture we are going to deal with the non-constitutional bodies. So before going into the non-constitutional bodies, first we have to know what is this non-constitutional bodies and what is the definition of this non-constitutional bodies. So there are two types of bodies. So as you all can see, there are two types of bodies. One is constitutional body and the other one is the non-constitutional bodies. So in non-constitutional bodies we have two types. One is statutory body and one is the executive body. So what is a constitutional body? A body which is present in the constitution, a body which is present in the original text of the constitution, that is known as the constitutional body. What is the example of constitutional body? Say for example UPSC, Finance Commission, Election Commission, these are originally present in the constitution. When the constitution of India has been made, these bodies are present originally. That's why it is known as the constitutional bodies. On the other hand, when you talk about non-constitutional bodies, it means that these bodies are not present in the constitution, in the original text of the constitution. So as I said already, there are two types, statutory and executive. Statutory bodies and executive bodies, otherwise known as the non-statutory bodies also. So what is a statutory body? Statutory body is a body which is not present in the constitution. That is clear. Okay. How this differs, statutory and executive means, this statutory bodies will always have a backing of a law. Okay. So a bill will be, if a body wants to be created, a bill will be introduced in the parliament, it becomes an act and then this body will be formed. Okay. A perfect example for statutory body is your National Human Rights Commission. Okay. So this National Human Rights Commission is not present in the constitution. Okay. So when the years developed, the government felt that there should be a body to control, to invigilate this Human Rights Commission. Okay, that's why this body has been formed. So what the government did, it introduced a bill. It went into the parliament. It got both the assent of both houses of the parliament. It became an act. Okay, so with the backing of that act, this human rights body commission has been formed. Okay, so this statutory body, which means it always have a backing of a law. On the other hand, this executive body is also a part of non-constitutional body only. Okay. So this executive body will not have any law backing and all. Okay, a bill will not be passed just by a decision of the Union Cabinet. The Union Cabinet will form and they will decide, and they will by an executive order, if a body is formed, then it is known as the executive body. Okay, so that is with your statutory and executive body. And now I hope you're clear with your constitutional and non-constitutional bodies. Non-constitutional bodies two, statutory and executive body. So now about the non-constitutional bodies. So totally there are 10 non-constitutional bodies. The first one is Niti Aayog, second one is the National Human Rights Commission, third one is the State Human Rights Commission, fourth one is the Central Information Commission, and fifth one is the State Information Commission, and sixth one is the Central Vigilance Commission, and seventh one is the CBI, and eighth one is the Lokpal and Lok Ayukta, and ninth one is the National Investigation Agency, and 10th is the National Disaster Management Authority. So these are the 10 non-constitutional bodies that we'll be dealing in this non-constitutional session. So first we'll begin with the Niti Aayog.